Hello everyone, welcome to the English class. Today is Monday, 22nd of March 2021. It's a reading class, so please take out the reading books. Open the books page 390 and 391. We are going to read about different kinds of energy. Before we start our reading, we need to review the word that you learned yesterday. Do you remember the words? What was the first one? Yes, it was energy. What does it mean, energy? The power that everything needs to move. Good. What is the second word? It was natural. What does it mean, natural? Yes, found in nature. What was number 3? Pollution. Pollution simply means when the earth gets dirty. Number 4, produce. What does it mean, produce here? To make, create, or generate. That's nice. Renewable, and it means can be made again and again. Replace, to take the place of something. Sources means, yeah, that's right, where things are coming from. And the word tradition, we say this is normal. Normal, yeah. I want you to be ready to get to know what are the different kinds of energy. Here comes solar power. Solar power, this means solar energy. This is the first type of energy. Let's know more about that. What do you have in common with a car in a factory? You both need energy to run. Energy keeps things moving. Energy today. You get your energy from eating healthy foods. Most factories, homes, and cars get their energy from fossil fuels. Coal, petroleum, and natural gas are fossil fuels. They have been traditional or usual energy sources for more than a century. Today, most of the energy we use in the United States come from burning fossil fuels. But these fuels come from deeper under the Earth's surface and they are running out. They cannot be reused. Once a fossil fuel is gone, it is gone forever. So we need alternative energy sources to replace them. Scientists know that there is no other way to keep our country going and growing. So they are looking for new alternative sources of energy that won't run out. Great information here. Okay, so if you see here, if you look at the highlighted green line, it gives you the meaning of the word energy. Energy keep things moving. That's great. The word traditional here means usual, so circle traditional and usual, please. So traditional means usual, and centuries mean 100 years. While we were reading, we see the word fossil fuels. What are the fossil fuels? Or give me some examples of fossil fuels. Fossil fuels like here highlighted in green, coal, petroleum, and natural gas. Those are some examples for fossil fuels. And what are fossil fuels? We know the examples. But where can you find fossil fuels? Where we get fossil fuel? Where do we get fossil fuels? Here is the answer. These fuels come from deep under the Earth's surface. So here it's important to use this strategy. What is a strategy, teacher? To ask and answer a question because it helps you understand more about what you read, or if there is something complicated or not clear for you, you have to ask your question, read again, and find the answer by yourselves. Look at the last word here. Run out means finish. Turn the page. Cheaper and cleaner. Solar power is one source of renewable energy, and it is not expensive. As a result, many people are placing solar panels on the roofs of homes and large buildings. Solar panels look like giant mirrors and they capture energy from the sun. On a bright day, the sun's rays hit the solar panel and cause it to produce electricity. Then the electricity flows into the building. As a result, there is enough energy to raise the temperature inside homes and turn on lights, stoves, and computers. The future. More companies are turning to solar power to replace fossil fuels. It is natural. That means it isn't made or changed by people. Solar power is cheaper than fossil fuels and it doesn't create pollution. Today, there are millions of people around the world using solar power to produce electricity for their homes and businesses. Someday, solar power may completely replace fossil fuels. Hold your pencils. We said that the solar power is renewable. What does it mean, renewable? It can be made again and again. And one advantage is for it, it's clean and not expensive. So you remember the cause and effect? So the cause here, solar power is one source of renewable energy. So what is the effect? Many people are placing solar panels on the roofs of homes and large buildings. What are solar panels? Yes, these are the two lines highlighted in green. Solar panels look like giant mirrors and they capture energy from the sun. Capture energy, this means they take. So capture, this means here, take. T-A-K-N-E. How? So another question here. How the panels are working? Or how do these panels work? Yes, here is the answer. On a bright and sunny day, the sun rays hit the solar panel and cause it to do what? Produce or create or make electricity. So the second step here, the electricity flows into the building. So as a result here, you see the word as a result? This is, we are using cause and effect. So what is the effect here? There is enough energy to raise the temperature inside homes and turn on lights, stoves, and computers. The last part of this page. Yes, here we said that more companies around the world are turning, like they are changing now the old kind of energy to have the new renewable solar power. Why? Why they replace it? They want to stop using fossil fuels? Because it is natural means the solar power here is natural. What does it mean natural? Look at the sentence clue. It isn't made or changed by people. And also there is another reason, but they are changing that. Solar power is cheaper than fossil fuels and it doesn't create pollution. That's why companies turning to use solar power instead of fossil fuels. Look at the photo and caption here. Yes, these are the giant mirrors, solar panels. Solar panels are replaced on the roofs of buildings. Of course, they should be at the roofs, on the roofs. And finally, we have this sidebar. This sidebar here shows the author point of view or thinking or his ideas. Go sunshine. Renewable energy is where it's at, and solar power is at the top of our list. Here are the top reasons why solar energy is so hot. So these are the reasons why solar energy is preferable or the best. Solar power is cheaper than fossil fuels. It is renewable. It doesn't cause pollution. And it is good for our environment. Power from the sun is always available. Solar power is natural. Those are the 5 reasons. Solar energy can do just about everything that fossil fuels do. Everyone should use solar power. It is good news for the planet. That was our passage for this week. Well, in our lesson today, we use this strategy, ask and answer questions. Why this strategy is important, we say, while you are reading, you can ask some questions to know more details that support your answers. That's great. You remember before we said that? Fossil fuels. We put a question, what are fossil fuels? Then between the lines, you find the answer. And today also we'll learn this skill, cause and effect. How many times we say some causes and effects? Many times. So first, what is a cause? Cause, this means why something happened. This is great. Underline that, please. Cause means why is something happen. What is effect? Effect, this means what is happen or is what happens. They happen in time order. We use some signal words like the word so or as a result, because. Okay, when you find the 3 words, you can find the cause and effect. Look at the table here. We have a cause here. Fossil fuels are running out and we need new energy sources. What is the effect? Scientists are looking for alternative sources of energy. That's great. We have another cause. Solar power is renewable and is not expensive. So, what is the effect? Yes, many people are placing solar. Yes. So this means many people are going to replace it and using solar panels on the roofs of homes and large buildings. We have another cause here. The sun rays hits the solar panel. So what is the effect? Electricity is generated or electricity is produced, then flows here. Look, we will find it here. That's right. The sun rays hit the solar panel and cause it to produce. You see the word cause? Then the electricity flows into the building. As a result, there is enough energy, yes. So what is the result here? There is enough energy to raise the temperature inside homes and turn on lights and stoves and computers. What kind of text is this passage? Is it fiction? Of course, no. Is it realistic fiction? No, we don't have here characters, we don't have conversation or speech, we don't have setting. All the information we got here is related to a science topic, so this is expository text. That's right, it's expository text. So how do you know it's expository? We got facts and information about this science topic. We have some text features here like photographs, we have captions, and we have headings and sidebar. This is the sidebar, the yellow one that we had there in page 393. And the last part for today's class, homophones. What are homophones? Homophones are words that they have the same sound, but the spelling and the meaning are different. They have different meaning and different spelling. For example, we have the word see and the word see. So what does it mean, see, the first one? Sea is a water area where some creatures like fish, octopus, and other creatures are living. You can go and swim in the sea, but see, the second one is action, just means to spot or to use your eyes to see. Yes, look at the sentence down. You both need energy to run. So need here, we have two need. The first one with K or silent K, K-N-E, A, and D. So this is need and this is need. Need, the first one, this means you request or you want something. And the second needs mean what? Does anyone know? Yes, to mix something with your hands. Need, the second one. So when I say you both need energy to run, so it means you want energy to run or you mix something with your hands. Of course, you want energy to run. We finished our class for today. Thank you so much for watching.